Hi friends, today I'm showing you the LED flame effect lantern light. It's a USB rechargeable flameless candle with 4 modes: remote controlled, flickering flame effect, mood light, flameless for holiday, Halloween, Christmas party and other occasions. So let me open this package and this is like a manual how to use it, the light and the remote. So the light is a good size, looks like a candle size. So USB cable is a micro USB cable to charge this light. So you have to put this micro USB in this and then put it into the USB. So it will start charging. The indicator is light. I think it's not charged at this moment. So for the remote you have to take this protective sheet from it so that the battery will be in contact with the remote. And now this should work, and there is a handle in the below. I will show you later on. So there is an on and off button, and as I mentioned, this looks like it's not charged, so I will just put it into the cable and then try this one. So you can see, like, you have to open this button and then the remote control will start working with this. So you can control from both ends, remote as well as through the button. So the different modes, like the flame one, this is the full light, and then the breathable light. And you can also set the timer 1 hour, 2 hours sort of thing, so that it can be used as a night lamp as well. So this is the handle in the back that you can hang this light. So this is a good design and good light for use as a night lamp for any other occasions. So you need to charge it fully. So I will just remove the cable to see like it also worked on battery.